We have seen how the max function returns the highest element in the list passed to it as an argument. The minimum function, as I said, is actually opposite of the max functions in the sense that it returns the lowest element in the list passed to it. The min functions returns the lowest element in the list passed to it as an argument. And let's look at examples. This is what we have as example 1, where we call the min function and we pass to it as an argument a list of numbers 2, 5, and 4, and the return value or the output is 2, as it can be seen. This is example 2, and the min function is called with an argument of a list of strings D, M, A, and the return value or the output is A. We all know that among the strings D, M, and A has the lowest alphabetical value. And the example 3 is that we call or invoke the min function with a list of numbers 40, 60, 80, 10, 20, 78. And here again is another error. There should be a closing curly braces here. There should be a closing bracket. As a general rule in coding, not only Python programming, any coding activity, an open bracket must have its corresponding close brackets where appropriate. Okay, so this should be taken note of. And the output is 10 because among all these numbers, the 10 has the lowest numerical value. So thank you.